friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Vocal Warm-Ups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a warm-up designed for lower voices. So basses, baritones, altos, contraltos, this one is for you. This is also great for a morning voice in general. We will do some higher vocalizations as well, so hang in there as you can and change octaves as you need to. Let's start with a moment of attention to alignment, releasing any tension that you don't need. Take a couple of low, natural, easy breaths. Let's start with a very relaxed knee. Make sure that the tongue stays relaxed on that E. This will help us keep the tone focused. Here we go. Now let's sing on an easy sa, like sa, and go. Sa, 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 Moving now to a bit more focus, going into an open vowel, we're going to sing on Ning-ah, like Ning-ah, 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 Ning-ah. Here we go. Ning-ah, 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 Ning-ah. 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 Now we're going to glide on a no sound through some different intervals, like this. No, 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 no. Give it a try. No, no, For this next exercise, the sounds are Ming, 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 me, 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 like Ming, 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 me, 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 me. Try to keep the mouth relaxed and the air steady. Here we go. Ming, 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 me, 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 me. Ming, 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 me, 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 me. Ming, 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 me, 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 me. This next exercise will help us work through different registers. We will sing on ah, oh, ooh, like this. Ah, oh, ooh, ah, and go. Ah, oh, ooh, ah. Ah, oh, Let's bring it back down with Yah, 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 and go. Yah, Yah, Yah. 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 This next exercise is great for working through your passaggio from top down. We're going to sing on E and ah, like E, ah, and go. E, ah, E, ah, E, This next exercise will encourage a neutral larynx as well as breath onset coordination. We're going to sing on ga, 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 like ga, 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 ga. Here we go. Ga, 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 ga. Ga, 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 ga. Ga, 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 ga. Let's finish up with some free-form sirens and glides. You can move through any sounds that feel good to you, stay with me or don't, but make sure your voice feels connected and vibrating the whole time. Thanks for singing with me. Let me know what you're working on in the comments below. And if you made it this far, I hope you'll give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. It really does support my work. I'll see you next time. You want to sing with me?